So in today's video, I'm gonna see if toothpaste can actually clean up those headlights, because my headlights currently on the car are yellow, and I heard in the forum that toothpaste can actually help clean it up. So I'm gonna see if that can actually work and clean them up on the Acura and on the Civic. So let's go to Walmart and buy some toothpaste, see if this thing actually works. Okay, so I just came back from the store and I did change. So we got the toothpaste right here and we're about to test it out on this Civic right here. So I'm gonna test it out on this car first, because you know this is our beater car and I don't want to put toothpaste yet on my car, which is over there. So if this works here, then I'm gonna go use it over there on that car. So this is the brand I got. This is Colgate Total Whitening, in case you want to try this out yourself too. So let's do it. How much was this toothpaste? This was like toothpaste $5. Dude, that's crazy. $5 for this little tiny piece. I hope it works. Okay, let's wipe it down. Oh shoot, get a before and after, you dummy. Okay, let's get our toothpaste. Not a sponsor. Okay, not a sponsor. I thought this was gonna be clear, but okay, look at that. I'm honestly excited if this thing actually works. It smells minty. Now we're gonna leave that there for a bit, and then we're gonna clean it off with a wet towel and then see how much cleaner it gets. Set a timer for 5 minutes. Wow, she didn't even talk to me back. She hates me. I should have done the other side first. The other side is more like oxidated. Okay, timer is finished, so let's see. Hope there's like a difference. Dang it, I'm gonna need to go get another towel. Oh no. Oh no. I guess you do need to have tape around your headlights. Yo, what the hell? I do see a difference. Like a slight difference. So, I guess it does work then. I'm gonna just need... Bruh. Yo, that looks good. What the hell?
Whoa, that's crazy.
Got the big guns. Yo, what the... There's a big difference. Look, check this out. Compared to this one. And then this. Okay, let's go try it on the Integra. That's crazy. Wait, did she just backfire? Or was that someone else? I was not expecting this to work at all. That's funny. Okay, now that that works with the toothpaste, we're gonna go move to the other car. Here's the left side, and then here's the right side. And you can tell they're pretty yellow, so... And let's see if I can buff it out with some toothpaste by Colgate. Now for the Honda Civic one, I did 5 minutes. I'm gonna do probably longer than 5 minutes because I wanted to see if it would work or not. That's fine. Oh, you can't even see. Bruh, I have like 2 cameras over here. You can't even see. I just hope the mailman doesn't come. It's gonna be embarrassing. He should have the day off since yesterday was 4th of July. Just saying, bruh. Just saying. Okay, now let's rinse it with the wet towel. Let's do this side. This side first, because I did it first. Can you even see? You cannot. There's a shadow in the way. Thank you, shadow. Yo, this car looks so better with them clean. Oh no, I did not. Huh?
Is it actually working?
Yes.
Holy shit. Oh, it is.
You see it, right?
Yeah.
It's not yellow no more.
It smells like mint. I can smell it from here. Holy shit. Did you use toothpaste, bro?
Sheesh.
Just try bug spray next. Something with a lot of D in it, that works too.
Yo, what the heck, dude? She looks brand new. Now you want to buff it out with a nice dry towel. And there you go. Damn, that's a big difference. I think I'm gonna do another layer of toothpaste. That way, like, it's a lot more clearer. Now let's move on to this side. Huge update on the headlights. So as you can see, they're actually a lot better looking to look at, and they're a lot more clearer. They're not that yellow and oxidated. They look way better than they were before. This side's kind of hard to see because there's a shadow, but they look a lot better on the car now. Now, if you're wondering why I did this, it was because I didn't want to get new ones. I wanted to stick to the OEM headlights, so that's why I got them, or that's why I cleaned them with toothpaste. I only used 1 tube, but I think I'm gonna go again and put another layer on top of the toothpaste to make them like more clear than how they are right now. I just wanted to keep these headlights and like kind of restore them. You can also get these headlights, they're called halos, I think, and I don't like the way they look, so I was thinking of buying some like new headlights. But why do that when you can just like restore this and like just use toothpaste? It's not that expensive. So that's why I use toothpaste. Yeah, I seen Integras with the halos. I'll put a picture somewhere. I just don't like the look. I like the OEMs better. But yo, this came out good. But yeah, as I said, I need to go ahead and put another layer because you can still see like some yellow. Now, they're not going to come out perfect or shiny or clean, but at least they look way better than how they were before. They're not yellow looking no more. So I'm going to go ahead and do another layer and see how it goes. I like how I just randomly received a message saying that if I want to join the Marines, like it literally just says now. Sorry, Lieutenant Morales, I do not want to join the Marines. This is what I'm aiming for right now. Clear headlights or something like that. Hello there. So let's get to work. Back to back. Oh, and I've just used this toothpaste and I still have like plenty. So this is 1 tube so far. You know you're a menace when you squeeze your toothpaste like this. instead of rolling it up like this. I should have brought a toothbrush, that way I can like actually scrub it, but for now I'm just gonna use my fingers. You know what, let me go see if I have a toothbrush, an old toothbrush. I'm pretty sure I have one. Okay, I did find myself a toothbrush, so let's see if this can do something better. I'm brushing my car's teeth. Oh my gosh. Don't forget to brush your teeth, Monica. Oh yeah, oh yeah. Yo, look at that. But they look way better now. Clear, semi. It's still yellow, but they look better now. Now let me go ahead and wash this bumper, or wash the lights where I put the toothpaste on, because there's still toothpaste in like the areas that I keep complaining about. I'm sorry if you can't see. I'm gonna turn this off because then I'm just gonna be washing my car, and that's... Shout out to that one guy in my class that said water can actually mimic clear coat. So I'm gonna spray some not clear coat, I'm gonna spray some water on my headlights to make it look like it's clear, it has clear coat, because I tried it right now and it looks like it looks like the headlights are like new, like let me just show you. Look, you see that? Little damp, and then voila. It's like a quick 1 second. Let me see if look, you see? And then it just fades off. Compare this one to that one. Let me try again. And then boom. Let me try this one. And then bam. Look, see? There's a big difference. I think I'm gonna buy like a bottle of clear coat to spray on it, because I don't have anything else and they're gonna get yellow again. So I'm probably gonna have to do that. Hey, but the results on these headlights though, with just toothpaste, I got my money's worth for real. One of the main reasons why I wanted to do this was because I don't know if I said this already, but I want to convert this car into LEDs. So right now they're all like halogen lights. So the front has the bulbs, the back has the bulbs, inside has the bulbs. So I want to get rid of all that and I want to convert them into LEDs. I'm gonna order some pretty soon. That way this car looks way better with LEDs, because we all know that the bulbs suck and we just don't like those like yellow nasty like headlights, like the bright ones to make your car look sick. And this car with bright LEDs, yo, this is a brand new car, man. So that's it for today's video, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Bye bye.